Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools. Update iOS and charge devices so settings behave predictably. Once done, pair your AirPods or compatible headphones in settings Bluetooth and confirm status shows connected. Make sure the iPhone's microphone area is unobstructed and close cases or covers that block sensors. Now open Control Center or Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual because you'll toggle noise features there immediately. This first step ensures the phone and headphones can exchange noise control commands reliably. Next, enable the actual noise control. For AirPods Pro/Max, press and hold the volume slider in Control Center, then choose Noise Cancellation to block ambient sound. Transparency lets selected sounds through. Choose based on context. If you're on a phone call without earbuds, go to Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual and enable phone noise cancellation to reduce background noise for callers. Make small adjustments and test by speaking to someone, because subtle tuning often improves voice clarity more than maximum suppression. To finish, verify results. Record a voice memo or make a test call and toggle noise features to hear differences. If noise cancellation doesn't engage, restart the iPhone and repair your headphones because temporary Bluetooth glitches are common. Make sure firmware for your headphones and iOS are current. Then, if problems persist, reset Bluetooth or network settings as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: debris on microphones or a misaligned ear fit often defeats cancellation, so inspect and clean hardware before deep reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.